welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep things real when it comes to beauty. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster, a product that claims to be a game changer for anyone looking to hydrate, repair, and boost their skin's natural barrier. If you've been hearing a lot about this one, you might be wondering, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Vichy Mineral 89 Booster is a hyaluronic acid-based serum designed to plump and hydrate the skin while offering skin barrier repair with volcanic mineral water. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and is free from parabens. Dermatologists tested and unscented, this lightweight, oil-free serum promises to deliver intense hydration without feeling sticky or greasy. Now, let's talk about the ingredients, because when it comes to skincare, formulation is everything. Hyaluronic acid is one of the stars here. This ingredient is known for its ability to retain moisture, essential for plumping the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. It's paired with volcanic mineral water, which is rich in antioxidants and helps to strengthen and protect the skin's natural barrier. This is key, especially for sensitive skin, which can be more prone to environmental damage. The formula is simple but effective. There's nothing unnecessary here. No fragrances, no oils, just pure hydration and skin strengthening benefits. So how does it perform in real-world testing? I've been using the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster for a few weeks now, and here's what I've noticed. First off, the texture is incredibly lightweight, almost gel-like, making it feel refreshing when applied. I use it after cleansing and before applying my moisturizer, and I've found that it absorbs into the skin almost immediately, leaving no residue behind. It's fast absorbing, as promised, and doesn't interfere with the rest of my routine. The real test came when I applied it under makeup. Many hydrating serums can leave the skin feeling heavy, but this one didn't. My makeup went on smoothly, and I didn't experience any pilling or unevenness. My skin felt soft and looked more plump and refreshed. Nothing too dramatic, but a noticeable improvement in hydration and texture. For anyone with dry or dehydrated skin, this serum could make a real difference. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's incredibly lightweight, which makes it suitable for layering with other products. It's also ideal for those with sensitive skin, since it's free from common irritants like parabens, fragrance, and oils. The hydrating effects are immediate and long-lasting, which is perfect for anyone who struggles with dry patches or dehydration. On the flip side, one downside might be its price. While it's certainly not the most expensive serum out there, it's not exactly cheap either. If you're on a budget, this might be a bit of an investment. Another minor downside for some could be the lack of added anti-aging ingredients. If you're looking for a serum that targets fine lines, wrinkles, or pigmentation, you might want to consider other options that offer a more comprehensive anti-aging formula. When it comes to value for money, I think it's worth the investment if you're looking for a simple, effective hydrating serum. The quality is solid, and you get a lot of product in the bottle, so you won't need to repurchase frequently. It delivers on its promises of hydration and skin barrier support, which is key for anyone dealing with compromised skin or environmental stress. Comparing this to similar products on the market, there are a lot of hyaluronic acid-based serums out there, but what sets Vichy's Mineral 89 apart is the addition of volcanic mineral water. It's not just about hydration. This product is about strengthening and reinforcing your skin's natural defense system, which is something I don't see in every serum. If you're looking for something comparable but more budget-friendly, brands like The Ordinary offer excellent hyaluronic acid serums at a lower price point, though you won't get the additional mineral boost from volcanic water. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The glass bottle feels sturdy, and the pump dispenser makes it easy to use without wasting any product. The product itself has a decent shelf life, and I haven't noticed any degradation in performance over time. If you've ever had to interact with Vichy's customer service, you'll know they're highly responsive and professional. In case you're wondering, I had no issues with the product itself, so I didn't need to contact them directly. However, their reputation for excellent customer service means they're ready to assist if needed. As far as product alternatives go, If you find the Vichy Mineral 89 booster a little too pricey, there are similar products at a more affordable price point, like the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It provides similar hydration and is often praised for being gentle on sensitive skin. So, is the Vichy Mineral 89 booster worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to hydrate and strengthen your skin barrier. It's a solid product with clean, simple ingredients that provide reliable results. While it might not be a must-have for everyone, I think it's a great option for those who want a no-fuss, high-quality hydrating serum. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with all our honest, in-depth reviews. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more great content like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the Vichy Mineral 89 booster, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.